and welcome to the daily newspaper analysis, which is brought to you by LawSikho. I hope that you're all doing fit, fine, and amazing. So today we do not have any editorial for a discussion. We only have the news update and the legal news for the day. Before moving further, I'd like to congratulate the students who gave the right answer in yesterday's newspaper analysis. I would like to congratulate Aksa Azmi, Sudipti Mukhopadhyay, Priyal Gupta, Shivani Dinkar, Pankaj Jurwal, and Utkarsh Bhushan for giving the right answer. I'll tell you guys once again that the reasonable restrictions of the Article 19, which is right to freedom, has been given. They have been given under Article 19, Clause 2 of the Indian Constitution. Then the full form of ASEAN is Association for Southeast Asian Nations. And please note that India is not a member of ASEAN. I could see some confusion in the comments over there, but please make sure, guys, that India is not a member of ASEAN. On the contrary, India is a member of SAARC. Now, if you know what SAARC is, just pause this video and let me know in the comment section again. With this, let's start with the news updates for the day. Firstly, India-Japan finance dialogue. So India and Japan finance dialogue in New Delhi has taken place to exchange their views on the macroeconomic situation, that is on the larger scale when we discuss the economy, financial system, financial digitalization and investment environment in both the countries. Secondly, US Central Bank announces its biggest interest rate rise in nearly 30 years. Now, for us, what is important to learn is that Federal Reserve is the central bank for which of the following countries could be a question. So your answer would be United States of America. Just like we have the Reserve Bank of India, that is the central bank in India, we have the Federal Reserve, that is the central bank for United States of America. So US Central Bank has recently announced its biggest interest rate rise in nearly 30 years to rein in surging inflation. If you know that what is this interest rate called specifically in the Indian terms, if then also you let me know. There is a particular rate that we call it as. So what exactly is it? If you know, please let me know in the comment section below. Secondly, let's see what do we have for the legal updates for the day. Firstly, Uttar Pradesh demolitions can't take place without notices, says the Supreme Court, and it asks the state to comply with procedure and laws. So the Supreme Court ordered the UP government to not carry out any demolition activities except in accordance with the procedure established by law. It also granted a buffer of 3 days to the state for them to explain how the recent demolitions carried out in UP were compliant with the laws. This was held in the case of Jamiat, Ulama and Hind and another versus Union of India and others. Secondly, merely being in uniform does not attract Section 353 of the Indian Penal Code, says the Kerala High Court, and grants anticipatory bail to lawyers accused of assaulting police officer. So the Kerala High Court in the case of Rilgin versus George in another, Rilgin v. George in another versus State of Kerala in another, has allowed the anticipatory bail application moved by 2 lawyers accused of assaulting a police officer in uniform while he was at the court in relation to an ongoing inquiry against him. So this was all for the day. We hope you liked this session. If you did, please like it. Also, you may subscribe to our channel. If you wish to download the PDF of today's slides, you can join a Telegram channel. The link is there in the description box below, or you can scan this QR code that you can see on your screens right now. Thank you so much.